Hello everyone, welcome to VKS YouTube channel. In this video, we are just going to discuss all about the probability and statistics for the GATE, data science and artificial intelligence. So in this video, we are just going to discuss all about the roadmap of that probability and statistics. So I will just segregate that whole syllabus for the GATE GA of that probability and statistics. So we will just create the roadmap and after it we will just execute, okay, that probability and statistics part. So let's start. So first of all, let me just write probability and statistics. So first, so according to our syllabus, so there is a first part is counting part is good. So first of all, so whenever just you are just jumping towards the probability and statistics, you need to know like the basic part of that counting. What do you mean by the counting? Like for example, if the two coin will be simultaneously, it will be thrown. So right now, once I will just hold that coin, what is the probability so that I will just get the head and head. The two times head will become. Or else you can just take an example of the single coin. If we'll just take, if you just throw that coin one time and whenever just you will just hold that one means like catch that one and after it, if we'll just check it, like you want to see that, so the coin should be, the coin face should be head. But what is the probability so that we will just get the head in the first time? So it means what? So there is a two faces. Okay, so there is a two faces. Like for example, this is the one coin. So there is a what? One head face is there, and there is a one tail face is there. Once I will just throw it, and after it, whenever I will just catch this one, so the probability is what? So either it will be head will become, or else it will become to the tail part. But right now, how many possible is there? Two possible is there. So here, so the head will become, right now my choice is what? I want to see that the head part. So it means what? It will be 50-50 chances. So that's why 1/2. So right now, so how exactly I'm just counting all these things. So this will become in the concept called that counting. So let first of all, in the next video, we'll just start from that introduction to counting. Introduction to counting. Now, next, what are the counting techniques are there? What are the counting techniques are there? Next, so we will just go for that like division of offset. Offset. And then, so we will just also go for like a distribute. We will just distribute that one, distribute that object. Okay, distribution, you can say. Distribution of offset. So now, so this is the first thing. So you need to very clear whenever you are just proceeding towards the probability and statistics part. So let this one is the one of the part. So let's go for the part. So after knowing all these basic things, so you can just go for that. So the probability, like as I just explained this part, so it means what? So here you just came to know that what exactly the probabilities is it. Like introduction to the probability, you can say. So here what we will just learn, first of all, we will go for that. What is that sample space? So possible of event. Okay. So each and every term we will just discuss. And now let's next point we will just go for that classification of events. We'll just focus on it. And now next part is conditional probability. And you already familiar with conditional probability starting from the standard 8, isn't it? So now let's go for next part. After completing this one, you can just say that the bias theorem. And the last one is probability inequality. Probability inequality. So once you will just cover this part, so you will just what? You will like strong with the basic part of that probability. Clear? Now, this one you can just consider as the part. So let's go for that. Next one. Next part is nothing but the what? So this is the basic part we cover in this two part. So let's go for that. The advanced things. Okay, the advanced things. Like, so whenever we'll just complete all these two parts, then we'll just go for, or we are just ready to move towards that a random variables. Like we will just focus the properties. We'll just focus the properties. We'll just focus on that properties part. And now we also focus on that like PDF, what are the PDF, what are the CDF, what are the PMF. Okay. So all these things. Now also we will just go for like what are the relation of that one, the relation between these things. Okay. And now at the end, we also focus on that. What are the standard deviation. Next, the variance. And then we'll also go for that mean, median, mode, like. So you can just consider as this part is nothing but the parts. So generally, once you will just complete the part up to part C, so it will be what you will just cover near to 40% of syllabus. Now, let's go for the main uh, concept of that probability and statistics part, where people they know what exactly the formula is it, but whenever they will just face some of the question, like at that time they just get confused while solving that one. So the next one is what? So the distribution theory. The distribution theory. What exactly the distribution theory is it? Now see. So here only we will just focus on that binomial distribution. Next, here we'll just focus here only negative binomial distribution. And then Bernoulli distribution. Then next, geometric distribution. Next, Poisson distribution. Next, Gaussian distribution. Next, standard Gaussian distribution. Now, next, exponential distribution. Then, next, uniform distribution. Okay, so we will just focus on this distribution part, and this distribution is the, you can say that the measure part. Okay, the measure part. And now, so this part is what, once you will just cover this part, you will just get a lot of clarity, and you are just going to cover near to 70% of the syllabus of that probability. So maximum question you will just going to face here only. Clear? So now next part is so let's focus on the bivariate random variable. So here what we'll just focus, what exactly the discrete, what exactly the continuous random variable, what exactly the covariance, then the conditional expectation. So this is the important for that. If you are just moving towards that AI field, you should know all these things. Okay, so this part will be considered as the part E. So now next part. Next part. So here we'll go for that. The central limit. The central limit theorem. Here only we'll just focus on that population mean, variance, all these things. Okay. And then also we will just focus on that maximum likelihood estimation. Okay. So now, next part, the last part is coming that the hypothesis testing, which is most important part, wherever you will just know that what is the T test, what is the Z test, what is the chi-square, how exactly you are just analyzing all these things. Okay, everything. So you will just cover. Okay, everything we are just going to cover. So here only the gamma distribution, you can say, the beta distribution, you can say, everything is there. We will just cover here. So hence, if I will just look at the syllabus, now see, so this is the, you can say part E. So please everyone just follow this one, and please just create the effective notebook. Hence, if you just if your plan should be like perfect, then your like a journey will be good. Like at the end of the journey, you are just going to get one of the good success. Clear? So everyone, they are just preparing for that competitive exam, but some of these smart persons are there, so they are also following that same journey, but the journey is what, so they are just choosing the different type of the path, and the path is very systematic path. The path is like the path should be have the two type of the plan. So here, these are the plans. Then after it, you will just go for like in the class, we'll just cover some of the questions. Then after the class, we will just cover a lot of questions. Like we will just practice because here only we're just going to understand what exactly the concept is it, and that exact concept should be applied on the upcoming questions. Like whatever question will be come in front of us, so we will going to complete that one and we will just solve that one. That is the point. So for today, this much. Yes. So before it, so let me though some of the students are there, they are just applying for that both GATE DA and CAC solution. So here, if we'll just go for that, if we'll just go for that GATE CAC, so here it is also benefit for you guys, those who are just going for that GATE CAC. So these all things. Okay, so if we'll just go till till distribution part. So these all are similar to for the GATE CAC as well as the data science and artificial intelligence. So please just focus till here. I think in this video, you are just getting the better clarity of that syllabus, how exactly we are systematically segregating that different topic. And then after this video, we are just going to cover each and every topic with that lot of question will become, and that's it. So these are the new topic which is added in that GATE data science and artificial intelligence. Okay, so you will just cover all these things, and this is more mark facing topic. Clear? So if you're having any doubt, so you can just ask me in the comment box and you can just go for that description part. You are going to find out one link and you can just join it there. You can ask any question in that WhatsApp group, no problem. And also, if you like this video, you can just give like and do subscribe, and you can just share this video. That's it. Thank you. Bye bye. We'll just meet in that next video.